Hello friends, welcome back to All Things DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this Pokemon Smash Cake ball, and it's super easy and simple. First we need these half circles. I'll link them down below so you can find them. And we also need white chocolate. We need the base for the ball. And now we're going to pour in some white chocolate into half of the circle mold that we have. And we're just going to make sure it looks like that. Then we're going to stick it in the freezer and let it harden. Same thing with the base. I'm doing the base white. And then the other half of the ball, I'm doing it red. And I'm going in with the second layer of chocolate. And I find that if you do 3 layers, it's thick enough. Then now I'm going to make the fondant. And it's a little sticky. So I'm going to put some powdered sugar on it. And just to make it unsticky. And this is the circle part of the Pokemon ball that we need. And I'm using a random cap that I found. That's a circle. And I'm just going to take that out like that. There you go. We got the circle. Set that aside. And I also want to make a fondant happy birthday. I'll link where I got this little cutter from. It's super cheap. It was like $1 something on AliExpress. So it's tedious because you have to go in, pick each letters, put it in this thing, and then stamp it on. They're like fondant stampers. And you stamp it on. It says happy birthday, whomever you want to do it to. Like that. So this is the process for it. Super easy. But the letters are really small, so it takes you quite a bit of time. Like that. And now I'm just going to do the birthday part right here. There you go. I'm just going to stick that on. Like so. Then now I'm rolling out black fondant. And I'm making the belt that wraps around the Pokemon ball. And I'm just eyeballing it. Cutting it out to a long strip like this. And that white stuff again is powdered sugar because my fondant is quite sticky this time. So I have to use powdered sugar to make it non-sticky. Now I'm taking out the base of my ball. And the base of the ball holds the ball so it doesn't roll around when you bring it to the person you're giving it to. So I'm putting on a cake base right here. Then I'm adding some more white chocolate inside. And I'm going to put the half ball inside like so. And then just leave it for a little bit and it'll stick. It doesn't seem to stick, so I'm just going to add some more chocolate under there. Then I'm going to fill it up with a bunch of candy, and I did all assorted candies in there. And now I'm putting the top on. And you just want to take this red part of the ball and stick it in like a hot pan for a quick second and put it on top. Here you go. Like that. Now I'm going in with my black fondant, and I'm going to wrap that part around the middle of the ball like so. And just tap it to make sure it sticks. And they stick pretty well, so you don't have to really do much. Then I'm putting the round circle on top of it like that. And then I realized that I needed another circle black underneath the white circle. So I did that after, but I didn't film that part. And then you're just going to tap that all around. And then there you have it. Your Pokemon ball is super easy and fast, and kids love it. So if you like, subscribe and check out my other videos. Bye.